How to send partner gifts in Monopoly Go. Actually, this one is a new feature in Monopoly Go. Now we have here at least four steps on how to do that. Okay, so first we have here is to accept or send a partner invitation. First tap one of the green plus icons in the board center. A partner cannot be added or withdrawn after they have been chosen for event. Step 2. Attempt to land on the tiles on the board while rewarding yourself with puzzle pieces. To obtain extra puzzle pieces, you can achieve particular event and milestones. Now let's move on to step 3. Choose a toy from the center of the board once you have enough event points, as shown by the cookie and quantity of event points on the right side of the screen. Last we have here is step 4. Choose how many puzzle pieces to use per spin by clicking the wheel multiplier up to 20 times. If not, look for puzzle parts and quick wins, event achievements, and the shop's 8-hour login bonus. Remember that the points go to your bar and the same amount in puzzle pieces to your partner. So, in short, you have to land on that partner area on the wheel in order for you to send partner gifts. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.